morning children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes? Had your breakfast right? Yes. Then nothing. Our class is timing started. Okay, we will start the class. Okay, no need to waste the time, right? Yes. Then today's date. Yes children, today's date is 12th. Yes, October month only. You already know. So today, Tuesday, you have English. Yes. Then before moving to the class, yes, first we will see what is the thought for the day. Okay. Yes. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Okay. Yes, you people also in your life, you should be like that only. You should not stop when you are tired. Okay. You have to complete your work. Then you should take the full rest. Yes. Then you will get. Then your work is completed. Then happily you can take the rest, right? So tired, I will not do. That you should not do. Okay. So that day's work, that day only you need to complete if you are tired also. Okay. Yes, how we are doing like that only. We are also taking classes. We are also feeling tired. But then too, we are doing our work. We are tired also. We are doing our work. Why? Because that is, we didn't complete our work, right? We need to complete. So that's why you people also should be like that only. Okay? Yes. Then shall we start, children? Yes. Which lesson we were in? Yes. 5th lesson. The coromandel fishes. Yes, that only. Right? Poem. Right, children? Poem. Yes. Once again, shall we revise the poem? Yes. So take out your English textbook part 1. Yes. Page number 27. Take out page number 27. Yes. Rise, brothers, rise. The awakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all night. Okay. Then, come let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free. Catamarans means? Yes, boats, fishing boats, right? Yes. To capture the leaping wealth of the tide of, for we are the kings of the sea. Okay. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. Hasten means running fastly, right? The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What is comrades, children? Friends. Yes, previous class I have told you, right? Yes. What thought we toss at the fall of the sun, where the end of the sea God drives. He who holds the storms by the air will hide in the breast of our lives. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mangrove grove. And sweet are the sands at the full over the moon with the sound of the voices we love. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Okay. Row, brothers, row the edge of the bridge where the low sky meets with the sea. Yes, this was written by which poet? I have already told you, right? Which poet? Sarojini Naidu. Yes, you know Sarojini Naidu. Yes, she is a great poetess. She is the Nightingale of India. Yes, children. Yes, already I have told you. Yes, yes, she is a great poetess. Okay. Yes. Then nothing. We have been completed the let us discuss the exercise 1. That is word and meanings. Right, children? We completed. Now we will move on to the exercise 2, literature comprehension. Yes, here we have some questions. I will ask you. You should answer me. Okay? Yes. What does the poet compare the wind to? For which he is comparing the wind? Yes, the child. Yes, the wind to the child. The wind he is comparing to the child which is cried all night. Right, children? Yes. Why? Why they are asking? Because now lies asleep in the arms of the dawn. Because it is asleep in the arms of the dawn. Right? That's why. Yes. Then what are the dangers that the Wind and storm. Correct. Wind and storm, the dangerous thing they are facing. What are the sweet things of the land that are mentioned in the poem? Which are the sweet things that is mentioned in the poem, children? Tell me. Yes, the shade of the coconut glade, the scent of the mangrove grove, then the sounds of the loud voices and the sands of the full moon. Yes? Yes. Then according to the poem, do the fisher prefer the danger of the sea or the life of the shore? Though life on the shore is sweet only, right? The answer is though life on the shore is sweet, the fisher prefer the spray and waves of the sea. Yes? Yes. So I will write that answers on the board, children. Yes. You should copy them. Okay? Yes. Exercise 2. Yes? Exercise 2. Exercise 2. First one question. What is that question? What does the poet compare to the wind? The poet compares the wind to a child that has cried all night. Because it now lies asleep in the arms of the dawn. Okay. Then second, what is the question? Second one. What does the dangers that the fishers face at the sea? Wind and storm. Wind and storm are the dangerous that the fishers face at the sea. Face at sea. Third one. What are the sweet things of the land that are mentioned in the poem? The sweet things of the land mentioned in the poem are the shade of the coconut glad, the scent of the mango grove, the sounds of the loud voices and the sands on a full moon light. Okay. Yes. Then fourth one. According to the poem, do the fishers prefer the danger of the sea or the life on the shore? They prefer the shore. Okay. Yes. So write down. Though life on the shore is sweet fishes prefer the spray and waves of the sea. Okay, yes, please complete it, children. Yes, then next what we have? Yes, next exercise 3. Okay, read and answer. Complete the lines from the poem by matching the sentence in column A to those in column B. Okay, column A and column B you have to match. Okay, that is nothing but in poem only that lines are there. Okay, read the poem and match it. Okay, this is your homework. So mention exercise 3 is your homework and match it. Okay, then next turn the page number 30. Exercise 4 value based questions, judgment and appreciation. Yes, this we have. Okay, let us do that, children. Yes, why do you think the poet calls the fishes the kings of the sea? Why do you think the poet is calling the fisherman as the king of the sea? That you should tell. Why? Just a king has the power to rule, right? Like that only fisherman also has. Okay. So I will write it on the board, children. These answers please copy down. Shall I have this? Yes. Please watch the video and complete it. Okay. Yes. Yes, children. Next exercise 4 value based question. Okay. Exercise 4. First one. Why do you think the poet calls the fishes the king of the sea? Just as kings have the power to rule and be responsible for their kingdoms. The coromandel fishers to have the power to rule the sea. They feel that the sea God will protect them, and that nothing can harm them. They look forward to all the dangers and risks that come with life at sea. This is why why the poet calls the fishers the kings of the sea. Okay, yes. Just as kings have the power to rule and be responsible for their kingdoms, the coromandel fishers too have the power to rule the sea. They feel that sea god will protect them and nothing can harm them. They look forward to all the dangers and risks that come with life at sea. This is why the poet calls the fishers the king of the sea. Okay, this is the reason why the poet is telling them as a king of the sea. Okay, then second, what is the question? Can you guess why the fishers track the seagull calls? Why they will track? Tell me. You don't know? Okay, write it on the board. Write down. Seagulls primarily eat fish and thus tend to be around areas where a lot of fish can be found. So if the fishers can track the seagulls call, they can find areas in the sea where plenty of fish can be found. Okay, what is the second question? Second answer, seagulls primarily eat fish and thus tend to be around areas where a lot of fish can be found. So if the fishers can track the seagulls call, they can find areas in the sea where plenty of fish can be found. Okay, so please complete it, children. Yes, then next we have speaking task. Yes, public speaking. Collect information about one of the following and make a short presentation in front of your class. Your presentation can be an individual presentation or a group one also. This is the poem. This poem is by Sarojini Naidu. Yes, just now we learned the poem, right? That is by Sarojini Naidu, who was a freedom fighter also and a poet also. She was a freedom fighter and she is a poet also. Find out more about her life and work. Yes, you can find out more about her life and work also. And you can collect the information about the fishers and their lifestyles. You can even learn a fisher's song and present it in class also. If any fisher song is there, you can sing it in the class also. Okay, and you can collect the information about the fishermen and you can present it in your class. That means you can present it in a video way also. Okay, so today homework I will be giving this on the children. You can at least do Sarojini Naidu. About Sarojini Naidu, more of the information you can collect it. Yes, if you do Google, it easily will get, right. So try to say few sentences about Sarojini Naidu. Okay, make a video and say few sentences about Sarojini Naidu. Or if you are not able to do that, at least you can say few things, few sentences about the fisherman also. Yes, what is their lifestyle, how they are living, what all they will do, and how they are living for their life, how they are earning money, how they are earning money, what is their job, is about that and all. You can detailedly, yes, tell in the video also. You can do that also. Like fisherman is catching the fishes. Yes, he will go to the sea with the help of the boat and big net and all. Yes, not only one person will go, along with the groups they will go. Yes, and they will catch the fish and they will come. Yes, when there is more rainy season like that, or any cyclone or that, they cannot go into the sea. They cannot able to catch the fishes and all. That time they will have a big problems and all, because they will not, they get fish only, they can sail and they can run their life. But if they can't do that, then what they will do? That is also the problem they have, right? So about that and all you can tell in the video, children. Okay, so this is your homework. Say few sentences about Sarojini Naidu, otherwise fishers. About them also you can tell. Any two, you can choose any one and you should make a video and send it in the group. Okay? Yes, today we will end up, because we have been completed the lesson, right children? Yes. Then we will go to the workbook in the next class. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye.